Hi, this is Keyur Chhatrapati. I'm 56 years. I work in Mumbai and Ahmedabad with a company called IMCD. We are in the distribution space for chemicals, pharmaceuticals. For me, Excel, which I've been using since several years now, more than 30 years maybe, but it is very fundamental use, a very basic use, and therefore the title of your workshop today caught my attention, and I have no hesitation to say that the learning was superb. I'm going to work on it to actually see the results for myself, and I'm really hoping to learn more about AI and how AI can help the business of my company that I work for, and even for me to get a better insight into how all AI can help. I'm very passionate about mentoring. I do that outside my work as well. I even go and lecture at my university, so that is something which I would like to take the agenda further. Overall, this was a wonderful experience, and you guys are very young, and that was the best part of it. But you have a lot of maturity. The whole workshop was conducted brilliantly, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.